So this is euro-dollar analysis I am doing it on the Thursday, but it is for Friday the 29th of September. Now, what's happened? We've seen price come down to pretty much near that 1720 level, where identified on a weekly time frame we had the 200 period moving average, and yes, we have I think I did say in the previous video I'll be looking for more buying from that level. We didn't actually, let's see how low we went. Went as low as 21, so we went within 1 pip of the level, and as we've seen, price has come back up and breached 1770 to the upside. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frames just to see where we are in relation to current prices. Currently this month we opened at 1910. We're quite somewhere away from that. We did have what would have been a high of 2070, 2092. So within 20 points of each other, the highs of September and August. We did sell in around that 2070 to 2090 region. Now the weekly, I would say weekly we opened at it was 119, but I was using the 1910 as my pivot, as it is also the monthly pivot all the way up here. Now on yesterday's analysis I did say we could potentially see a double bottom form and a move to 1770, after which a possible move to 1830. That analysis does remain in place for me. If we do continue to hold the 1770, naturally a test of 1830 is the most likely outcome, and then I would see what price does when it gets up there. Now, if the price momentum remains strong, this 200 period moving average here should come down quite a bit from there as prices trade. This is going into next week. I don't expect all of this to happen on Friday, but this moving average may come down to say 1860, somewhere around the 1880 to 1860 region before price gets up there, unless there's some sort of news catalyst causing the market to be quite volatile in its price movement. So again, on the weekly time frame, I am in bearish territory as I'm below 1910, but price has come down to an area of support around the 1720 level. So in the short term, even though I would be going against the rule of the 1910 pivot, I do expect further continuation to the upside and a test of 1830. If, however, we don't get to 1830 and we're not able to hold the 1710, we are likely to go back down to test the 1720 level, and I suppose I shouldn't. I'm not going to look all the way down to 1612 because I don't expect prices to be as volatile as that. So going forward, I am expecting a further move to the upside and a test of the 1830 level. If we do not break down, if we do break down, a test of the 1720 again is the most likely outcome. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.